Welcome back to another market outlook. We are back, right? We can relax now. We are fully back. Market outlooks are back. Streams are back. Everything is back. It's just completely back to normal. And there's even more stuff on the way. Like, if you think this is good, wait until you see what I'm announcing in a couple days. But yeah, they are back. I'm so excited to be able to bring these back to you guys. And I'm also on a new channel. So subscribe. This is the Fast Track Trading channel. Here's going to be like the daily kind of boring in-depth trading guides. The other channel is going to be used for like proper trading videos and lectures and stuff like that, right? But yeah, subscribe, like the video if you haven't already. Comment as well, more importantly. What pairs do you want me to do for the market outlook? Comment your answer. If you have a ton of pairs you want me to look at, leave it. I will do literally every single one that is suggested. Every single one. I swear down. Now, yeah, like the video, and let's get into the first market outlook. So obviously we are doing this for a Friday. I don't really know why I decided to do it for a Friday instead of just starting the week fresh. But regardless, we are doing it. So tomorrow, what's going on in terms of fundamentals? So we don't really have any red folder throughout like London session, or even the start of New York, but mid New York, we do have a Jerome Powell speech, which is always very fun to try and get through, right, without dying. So we'll see how that goes. I'm looking forward to it. And that is pretty much it. We got Jackson Hole Symposium, day 2. Not too sure what that is. Let's have a little look. So this is the Economic Policy Symposium held in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. It's attended by central bankers, finance ministers, academics, and financial market participants from around the world. The meetings are closed to the press, but officials usually talk with reporters throughout the day. Comments and speeches from central bankers and other influential officials can create significant market volatility. Okay, so that's important. That's all day tomorrow. And we have a Jerome Powell speech, which may actually be at that. Due to speak at the Economic Outlook and Monetary Policy Framework at the Jackson Hole Symposium. So yeah, big day tomorrow, Jackson Hole Symposium. We'll see how that goes. But in terms of fundamentals, it is literally just that. So let's hop onto the charts. Today we're going to be doing GJ, gold, and NQ and Bitcoin, and that is it. If you want to see any other pairs, leave a comment right now, and I will do them. But let's get into it. So GJ, what's going on? So a few days ago, or maybe a couple of weeks ago now, we took up this high over here. We had to retrace to a fair value. We retraced to this one, and at that point in time, it looked like we were respecting it, so I was bullish, right? But then 2 days ago, Wednesday, we closed below, right? Which meant we were technically bearish. But then we came straight to this fair value, which we have respected pretty cleanly Thursday. So I am bullish on GBP/JPY up towards these highs. You know how it goes. We take a high, we retrace, and vice versa. So I am bullish here up towards these highs, right? Enough said. Gold is bullish as well. So, a few days ago, I was expecting price to continue up. It did actually continue up yesterday, or 2 days, two candles ago, technically. So yeah, again, we're bullish towards the nearest form of liquidity on here, which is these highs over here. So let's just label that. Actually, tell you what, let's go back to GJ and also put in bullish, right? Some of the bias for tomorrow. Bullish on GJ, bullish on gold. Let's check Bitcoin out, right? So obviously Bitcoin made all-time highs a week ago and then came straight back down, okay? Now, we were bearish. We have been bearish. I predicted this at the start of the week, and you can see that as being right so far. So, yeah, we are still bearish because we haven't actually took out these lows. We may be bullish on the 4-hour. I'm not 100% sure. Technically, we're bullish on the 4-hour, but I'm expecting these lows to get taken out first. So, I'm going to say bearish on Bitcoin until we take out those lows. So, if we wake up tomorrow and we, have took the lows, then we will be bullish again. Because there's not much to go. I'm going to tell you where the target is. It'll be this fair value over here, and on the daily it would be this imbalance over here maybe. So yeah, but obviously we'd have to invest the 4-hour first anyway. So bullish up to here once we take the lows on Bitcoin as of right now, it is bearish. NQ, the final one. This is not a trade, this was an example. But I said bullish, which is funny because I've been saying bearish every week for the past few weeks, and now we are finally bearish. We do need a retracement down to here on the weekly, but let's check the daily out. So the daily came and inversed this for backup, which would then make it bearish towards these lows as well. So, but there is lows here which I had to take, and it did take them. So it's bullish again on NQ to this fair value up right here. Okay, that's it. Bullish, simple as that. Let's label that down right now. There we go. So we are bullish on GJ, bullish on gold, bearish for a little second, and then probably bullish again by the time we wake up on Bitcoin, and bullish on NQ. Excuse me. Looks like we are bullish all the way through tomorrow. So yeah, market outlooks are now a daily thing. If you want them in the morning, let me know. If you want them at the night, let me know. But like this video, they're back. I'm so excited. There's going to be way more like super in-depth videos posted on here. No like dopamine clickbaity stuff. This is like proper in-depth for the real people who really want to know how to trade. That's what this channel is for. Welcome to Fast Track Trading. This is the first market outlook, and I will see you all on Monday for the next market outlook. But yeah, like the video if you haven't already. Bye bye.